a lot of the Muslims and sisters specifically come to me crying. Sheikh, we went to a Muslim's wedding. It's all totally segregated. And we found out that our pictures in our wedding, wedding dress, party dress, I don't know what they call it, soiree, it's all over the internet. Everybody sees them. Everybody exchanges them. Who gave you the right to do this? Allah will torture you in your grave, bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, for doing this. Allah will torture you on the day of judgment for, it's even worse than backbiting. A woman who's all the time totally covered from head to toe, and you're exchanging her picture without her knowing. Look, my brother, this is my friend in college. You remember the one you drove with us 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? And look at her, mashallah, this is in her bikini. What is this? No, he's my brother, Sheikh. He's okay. Yeah. No, it's not okay. We have jealousy. We have fear of Allah Azza wa Jal. But with the internet, and a lot of the sisters, now sisters are going to hate me. Who cares? Soon. A lot of the sisters who are pious, who are fearing Allah Azza wa Jal, they find it easy to snap shots in Snapchat. They said, yeah, after I think 24 hours or something, it disappears. Is it? I don't, wallah, I've never used it. Wallah. And I don't even know it. I'm a dinosaur, I told you, but I ask around. Unfortunately, I was told that there are programs that capture these pictures. So she says, no, Sheikh, I am in a closed circuit. Only my friends see such photos. And her brother is next to her. MashaAllah, who's this? No, she's a friend of mine in college. Oh, she's from the Philippines? No, she's from Malaysia, look. Okay, done. So your picture is being circulated everywhere. A lot of the hijabi, niqabi sisters come to me and say, can I have my profile picture? Excuse me? You're black and black. I said, yes, I'm fully in niqab, nothing shows, I wear gloves. Okay, bring a sack of potatoes and put it as a profile picture. Why do you want to come? No, I want to show my butterfly abaya. But nothing is showing, Sheikh. Nothing is showing. Everything is black. This is how it starts. 2 months later, the eyes a little bit gap. You can see the eyes. 5 months later, eyelashes, fake, but mashallah, like an alligator from the niqab. Little by little, the abaya is getting, the butterfly becomes a worm. Mashallah, it's very tight and you can see the body structure and figure. Little by little, she's doing this, mashallah, picking something, and the whole arm, and she did laser. Good for you. What are you doing? Little by little, this is how shaitan creeps in. But people don't recognize what shaitan is doing.